This is how to get rid of that stubborn cold and cough using food products in your kitchen. First, you'll need these ingredients: ginger, lemon, rosemary, and garlic. It's best to have raw rather than powder, but if you cannot easily access raw herbs, use ground ones. Why I prefer raw is because it's hard to trust manufacturers nowadays, since some add preservatives that may inhibit the product's effectiveness. First, wash the ingredients thoroughly to rid of any dirt or processing chemicals that may still be on the skin. Peel a 2-inch piece of ginger and 2 cloves of garlic and grind or squash. Add the ground or squashed ginger and garlic into a mug of hot water. That is immediately after the water boils. Cut and squeeze lemon juice from one average-sized lemon. If the juice is little, you can add another half lemon. If a lot, just use half a lemon. Add some few rosemary leaves. Stir the contents and drink while hot. If too bitter, add some honey sparingly, although the tea is best taken bitter. If you have stomach ulcers, omit lemon completely, or add just a few drops of lemon. That's all. Use it next time you catch a cold and give us your feedback. Was this information helpful? If yes, I'm glad you found it useful. Please like and subscribe for more of such content. Also, share with your friends. If not, thank you. Please share your feedback on the comment section so next time we can improve. Thank you all for watching.